Today it's like around 7:30 a.m. and usually I start my day off by having, a few laps of swimming. So right now we're gonna head to the swimming pool. Pool, by the way. It looks okay, I guess. This is like a public pool. Anyone can come here
So
actually.
I just finished swimming, and now we're about to go for a steam bath, and yeah.
So basically, we're just like making it hot for the temperature. It's like really steamy, and then yeah, we have to wait for like some time for the temperature to be like optimal. And yeah.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
I'm leaving back home, and I found a friend of mine, and hopefully he's gonna give me a car ride back home. Because I want to walk home, and it's like pretty sunny outside, like really sunny. Hi. A question for you, okay?
All right.
Um, what do you think about the roads over here and the roads back in India?
Oh, here the roads are fine. They are very well constructed, engineered well to our cars.
Okay, that's it. Bye. Update. The person you saw on the car with me was actually my big brother's old-time friend, and he has been, like with my brother for like since grade 1 apparently. And right now I'm really excited because my friend Sekechun is waiting for me at the Beach Rotana Hotel. And I asked her mom, Mama, can I have some cash? And she's like, okay, son, here you go. I'm like, what? Like, usually I have to like beg her for like 2 dirhams. And now she's like, what even, bro? What even? So, right now I'm about to leave and hopefully find a cab. And if you're wondering why is my hair like this, usually after swimming I tend to put some pomade because my hair tends to get frizzy, and I just throw this headband on because keeps it neat. And finding a cab is really hard in Abu Dhabi. Are you a proud Bangladeshi?
Yes, of course.
Okay, apparently the beach was closed today, and me and my friends are gonna head to, my friend called me and he's like, hey bro, come, let's go to Abu Dhabi Mall. So we're gonna go to Abu Dhabi Mall, and yeah. The private beach was closed at Rotana. We're going to the public beach at Corniche, which was not the initial plan, but at least it's something, right? Right? We just had shot some GoPro videos, and then it was fun. And then if I get the videos back, hopefully